Pindi Pulihora is popular South Indian rice dish made with tamarind and spices. It's a tangy and flavorful dish that's often prepared during festivals and special occasions. Here is basic recipe for Pindi Pulihora. Ingredients: for the rice, 2 cups of rice, preferably short grain rice like Sona Masuri, 4 cups of water for cooking rice, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. For the turmeric paste, a small lemon sized ball of tamarind, 1 by 4 cup of warm water. For the pindi masala, 2 tablespoons of oil, preferably sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, split chickpeas, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, split black gram, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 to 3 dried red chilies, adjust to your spice performance, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 1 by 4 cup of roasted peanuts, 1 by 4 cup of roasted cashew nuts, optional, half teaspoon of asafoetida hing, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, optional, salt to taste. Method: cook the rice. Wash the rice thoroughly and cook it with 4 cups of water, turmeric powder, and salt. You can use a rice cooker or cook it on the stove top. Once cooked, let it cool and fluff it with a fork to separate the grains. Prepare tamarind paste. Soak the tamarind in warm water of about 15 to 20 minutes to soften it. Then squeeze and extract the tamarind juice, discarding any seeds or solids. Set the tamarind paste aside. Make the pindi masala. Heat oil in a heavy bottomed pan or kadai on medium heat. Add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add chana dal, urad dal, fenugreek seeds, dried red chilies, and curry leaves. Saute until the dal turns golden brown. Add asafoetida, roasted peanuts, cashew nuts if using, sesame seeds, and grated coconut if using. Stir fry for a few more minutes until everything is well roasted. Turn off the heat and let the mixer cool down. Mix the rice. Once the pindi masala mixture has cooled slightly, add the cooked rice to it. Pour the tamarind paste over the rice and masala mixture. Combine and adjust seasoning. Gently mix everything together, making sure the rice grains are coated evenly with the tamarind paste and spices. Taste the adjust the salt and tanginess by adding more salt or tamarind paste if needed. Serve. Pindi Pulihora can be served warm or at room temperature. It's often accompanied by a side of yogurt or raita. Enjoy the homemade Pindi Pulihora. You can also garnish it with some fresh cilantro leaves or added freshness.